Angela, and today I'm doing a what's in my bag for the Marie. This is a beachy bucket bag, and we'll see today what fits in this purse and how you can order. I have a black base. This is the black base with a white shell top, and how you can customize this is you would select the Marie black base, and if you want a tan top, say you'll use the drop down and you'll select black base with tan shell top and handle, and it'll look like this, right? So the base is something that doesn't change, but you can change the color on the top. Other color bases we have teal base. This is with a seafoam top. You can change that. If you want a black top with a teal base, it's up to you. And then we have a gray base with a black top. You could do gray and seafoam, gray and pink, gray and off-white. It's up to you. Completely customizable. They all have purse feet, so they're all stable and sturdy. A red base with a pink top. I'm back in the bag to show you that it actually fits. So I'm going to start with the wallet, the lotion, the mask, the key, the house keys, hand sanitizer, a leave, lipstick, and my phone would fit in here too. It's just that I'm filming on my phone, so I can't show you that. And then I'm going to just tie it back up, and that's everything that fits in the Marie.